Ever felt like managing your business finances is like navigating a maze blindfolded? Spreadsheets, receipts overflowing, and that nagging feeling you're missing something crucial? You're not alone. So many small business owners and freelancers struggle with keeping their finances organized, and often, the cost of good accounting software feels like another hurdle. That's why today we're tackling a question I get asked all the time: how to get Xero for free. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear: Xero is a powerful, paid accounting software. There's no legitimate way to get the full, unrestricted version completely free forever. Anyone offering that is likely trying to scam you, and you definitely don't want to risk your business data. However, there are absolutely legitimate ways to access Xero and experience its benefits without immediately reaching for your wallet. We're going to explore those options today, so stick around. First, let's talk about the most common and straightforward way to try Xero: the free trial. Xero offers a trial period, usually around 30 days, where you get access to almost all of its features. This is your chance to explore the platform, see if it fits your needs, and get a real feel for how it can streamline your finances. Think of it as a test drive. You wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a spin, right? The same logic applies to accounting software. To start your free trial, simply head over to the Xero website. You'll find a clear, free trial button, usually prominently displayed. Click it and you'll be guided through the sign-up process. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. Be prepared to answer questions about your industry, the size of your business, and your current accounting practices. This information helps Xero tailor the trial experience to your specific needs. One of the biggest advantages of the free trial is that you can explore all the core features of Xero. This includes things like invoicing, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, reporting, and even payroll, depending on your region. Take the time to play around with these features. Create some sample invoices, reconcile some dummy bank statements, and generate some reports. This will give you a good understanding of how Xero can help you manage your finances more efficiently. Now, here's a crucial tip. Don't just passively observe Xero during your trial. Actively use it. Import your real financial data, or at least a representative sample, to get a true sense of how Xero works with your specific business. The more you use it, the more you'll understand its capabilities and the better equipped you'll be to decide if it's the right fit for you. Another thing to consider during your trial is Xero's extensive library of resources. They offer a wealth of tutorials, guides, and webinars that can help you get up to speed quickly. Don't hesitate to take advantage of these resources. They can save you a lot of time and frustration. Xero also has excellent customer support, so if you get stuck, don't be afraid to reach out for help. Now, let's move beyond the free trial. What happens when your 30 days are up? Well, obviously, you'll need to subscribe to continue using Xero. But there are a couple of things you can consider to potentially reduce the cost. First, explore the different Xero plans. They offer various plans with different features and limitations, designed to cater to businesses of different sizes and needs. If you're a small business owner or freelancer, you might not need all the bells and whistles of the most expensive plan. Carefully compare the features of each plan and choose the one that best fits your specific requirements. Don't pay for features you don't need. Another thing to consider is Xero's partner program. If you work with an accountant or bookkeeper, they might be a Xero partner. Xero partners often have access to discounted pricing or special offers for their clients. So, if you're already working with an accountant, it's definitely worth asking them if they can offer you any discounts on a Xero subscription. Now, let's talk about a slightly different approach. While you can't get Xero completely free indefinitely, there are some situations where you might be able to access it for free for a limited time through other means. For example, some educational institutions or business incubators might offer free access to Xero for their students or members. If you're involved in any such programs, it's worth checking if they offer this benefit. Another possibility is to look for promotional offers or contests. Occasionally, Xero might run promotions where they offer free or discounted subscriptions for a limited time. Keep an eye on their website and social media channels for any such offers. You might also want to subscribe to their email list to stay informed about any promotions. Now, I want to reiterate something crucial. Be wary of any offers that seem too good to be true. As I mentioned earlier, There's no legitimate way to get the full version of Xero completely free forever. If someone is offering you a free Xero account, it's highly likely to be a scam. Don't risk your business data by falling for such schemes. Stick to the official channels and legitimate offers. So, to recap, while a completely free, unlimited version of Xero doesn't exist, you can leverage the free trial to explore its features and see if it's the right fit for your business. After the trial, consider the different plans, explore partner discounts, and keep an eye out for legitimate promotional offers. Don't fall for scams promising free access. Remember, investing in good accounting software is an investment in your business. It can save you time, reduce errors, and give you valuable insights into your financial performance. While it might seem like an expense initially, the benefits of having organized and accurate financial data far outweigh the cost in the long run. Xero, with its user-friendly interface and powerful features, is a popular choice for many small businesses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.